The apartment is located in Soi Ton Son in the center of Bangkok. It stands behind a popular park called Lumpini Park. I named the project Room Langsuan, which means room behind the park. Once we saw the owner's furniture, which had a bold and unique design, the main idea is try to create the space as neutral as it can. By using modest materials, the right tone material and the color scheme, I try to let the artworks and the furniture be the focus point in the space. My name is Pilin Hongwittayakorn. I'm the founder of the OPH Architect in Bangkok, Thailand. The location is extremely peaceful alley in the middle of bustling city. The building was completed in 2021. We completed the renovation in early 2023. Our client loves collecting designer pieces, artworks, and design furniture. So the client was looking for a complementary space to display them. At the same time, they wanted a comfortable living space in a compact room. The apartment was new and it holds a typical layout of an apartment for sale using typical materials. When we walk into the room, we see the kitchen in the living area with a small balcony. The bedroom and a bathroom are through a door from the living area. We did not change the layout of the room. We just added more storage in entrance, the living area, and in the bedroom. Also, we create the bed platform for the sleeping space. The entrance opens to the kitchen, which connects to the open space living area. The entrance and living area are 3 meters tall, which help to create a large area feeling. There is a built-in bench for shoes made from Blockboard, a type of light plywood, giving a comforting feeling to the room. When approaching the living area, the space is filled in with natural light from large windows. We changed the floor of the entire apartment from the engineering wooden floor to the light gray rubber sheet. The owner used the old engineering wooden floor in his other property, so it didn't go to waste. We removed the old wallpaper and painted the wall white to create a clean and seamless space. There is a dark gray B&B Italian modular sofa as the main display piece. Extra pieces can be added in the future to create an L-shaped sofa. The shoe bench cabinet at the entrance of the area was extended to become the TV space in front of the sofa. It helps to transition the space from the entrance to the living room. At the moment, the owner does not need a TV, so he displays his artwork, but we left space for a TV if needed in the future. There is access to a small balcony with a city view. There's a backtop table with various designer chairs and the pendant lamp above the table that help define the space of the dining area. Along the wall, there are wide built-in floor-to-ceiling cabinets. They provide a lot of storage space for the owner. In the corner area, there is an integrated open wooden shelf. When one of the doors are open, it creates a comfortable office space for the client to work from home. The open door also acts as a privacy screen when working. The kitchen has an L-shaped counter. The arrangement includes a hidden refrigerator, a sink, a space for cooking, an induction hob, the washing machine, and hidden oven beneath. We use the ultra-matte white laminate as finishes for the kitchen cabinet and the entrance wall to create a clean and simple look. The sleeping area is separated from the common area by 2.7 meter high door. As the space of this room is quite compact, we raised the sleeping area from the floor to create a wooden platform for the bed. Using the blockboard for the walls, ceilings, and platform allow us to create a cozy cave-like space and to emphasize the sleeping area. There is also a hidden storage on the panel wall by the entrance, which can be used to store suitcases. On the other side of the bedroom, we extend the storage to create more spaces for clothes. The bathroom entrance is inside of the bedroom. Since it is disconnected from the natural light, it feels like the deepest part of the cave. So we decided to create a different mood and tone by using black tone and play with two sides of the tiles to create the depth of the small and tiny bathroom. The old toilet was replaced with a compact toilet. We also changed the vanity and shaving cabinet. For me, when designing a small space, the important point is to maximize usage within the minimalist space. Color and tone can create a special look and allow the owner object to become a main focus. The small spaces consume less energy and less time to maintain, so we can spend the time for the things we enjoy.
Whether you're a renter or a homeowner, our essential guide to your living room can help you discover your personal style and transform your small living room into a space you'll love to spend time in. Download your copy of the guide from nts-store.com or get a free copy along with all our upcoming guides by joining the Besties Plus Guides tier of our YouTube membership. Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.